No, 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 no.
Hi everyone, I'm Jamie and I'm the founder of Coffee Drop. My family has been dedicated to the art of coffee for 4 generations. Over the decades, we have developed and refined a proprietary process and formulation. It's literally in our DNA. That product is our Coffee Drop Espresso Concentrate. We're specifically formulated to be the ultimate versatile ingredient for all your coffee experiences. What a perfect iced cappuccino, an iced latte, a quick iced coffee? Absolutely. But don't stop there. It's incredible for adding that rich coffee flavor to desserts, cocktails, smoothies. Your culinary imagination is only the limit. And here's what truly sets Coffee Drop apart. It's made with all natural ingredients, contains absolutely no preservatives, and it's incredibly convenient. It's shelf stable, and even after open, meaning you don't need to worry about refrigeration. Your pledge will help us establish our first dedicated production facility right here in Orlando. This would allow us to scale up responsibly, maintain our quality standards, and bring Coffee Drop to coffee lovers everywhere, efficiently and sustainably. Right now, we are at a crucial stage in our journey. We are on Kickstarter because we believe in building this with our community. Your support here is more than just a purchase. It's an investment in bringing something truly unique to life. Thank you for your time and your incredible support. We can't wait to share Coffee Drop with you.